Hello friends, welcome to my kanji class. We will learn some more new kanji in this session. Let's start today's session. Today we will learn lesson 15. Look at the pictures and these kanjis. I think you can guess the meaning of these kanjis. In both pictures you have same kanjis. So this kanji has two meaning. Okay. Let's see what are the other meanings are there or not. Meaning of the kanji: high, expensive, kunyomi, takai, onyomi, ko. Stroke orders given over here. Please follow it when you writing the kanji. My dear friends, if you want to memorize a kanji, please write 2-3 times and follow the stroke order. So you memorize the kanji as it is. Here you can memorize as katakana ro and also kuchi kanji. We already learned in our previous class. Takai, takai, once again, takai meaning high or expensive. Koko, koko, once again, koko meaning high school. Kosoku, kosoku, once again, kosoku meaning high speed. Takasa, takasa, once again, takasa meaning height. Meaning of the kanji: cheap and safe. Kunyomi, yasui, onyomi, an. Stroke order given over here. Please follow it when you writing the kanji. This kanji you already learned onna kanji in previous lessons. This is we say ukanmuri. Okay, so a woman is safe at home. Okay, you can think it as a home. So a woman is safe at home, and the other meaning is cheap. So this kanji has two meaning. Okay, yasui, yasui, once again, yasui meaning cheap. Anjen, anjen, once again, anjen meaning safe or safety. Unseen, unseen, once more, unseen meaning relief, peace of mind. Yasuuri, yasuuri, once again, yasuuri meaning bargain sale. Meaning of the kanji: low. Stroke orders given over here: kunyomi hikui, onyomi te. Hikui, hikui, once again, hikui meaning low. Saite, saite, once again, saite meaning lowest. Teika, teika, once again, teika meaning to fall, to go down. Teion, teion, once more, teion meaning low temperature. Meaning of the kanji: dark. Kunyomi kurai, onyomi an. My dear friends, there are so many strokes are there in this kanji, but don't fear, because this kanji is sun kanji we already learned in our first lesson, first kanji. This kanji also he kanji. So in this kanji we find he. This is, I already told you, this is tachimasu kanji, tachu. So he, tachu, he. Okay. So as it is meaning is the dark, so sun is related to dark. Kurai. Kurai. Once again, kurai meaning dark. Anshitsu. Anshitsu. Once again, anshitsu meaning dark room. Anki. Anki. Once again, Anki meaning learn by heart or memorize. Anjan. Anjan. Once again, Anjan meaning mental calculation. Meaning of the kanji: many, much, kunyomi oi, onyomi ta. This kanji very easy to remember. You know already you learn in katakana this is ta, so both are ta kanji. Okay. Follow the stroke orders when you write the kanji. Oi. Oi. Once again, oi meaning many or much. Tasu. Tasu. Once again, tasu meaning a large number. Tario. Tario. Once again, tario meaning a large quantity. Tagaku. Tagaku. Once again, tagaku meaning a large amount of money. Meaning of the kanji: few or little. Kunyomi sukunai, sukoshi, onyomi so. This kanji also easy. You already learned this kanji. It is chisai kanji. Okay. This is katakana no. There are so many ways to remember a kanji. This kanji is very easy to memorize. Sukoshi. Sukoshi. Once again, sukoshi meaning a few, a little. Taso. Taso. Once again, taso meaning more or less. Sonen. Sonen. Once again, sonen meaning boy. Sojo. Sojo. Once again, sojo meaning girl. Now quiz time. Here I have given some sentence with kanji. Some kanjis you will learn in this lesson and some you will learn in our previous sessions. So please read this sentence. It will help you how to use the kanji along with the sentence. Here I have given some words in kanji. Please write in hiragana and meaning of these kanjis. These kanjis you have not yet learned. This we learn in our coming sessions. These are advanced kanji. But the reading of the kanjis I have mentioned in this session. So please write accordingly. Okay. I think you find this class useful. Just click the subscribe button and share with your friends. If you think they can get benefit from this class. Today's class is this much. Let's meet in next class with some more new kanji. Till that time, sayonara. Bye bye.